Viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today we'll be looking at something amazing. Okay, if you have a BYBIT account, then this is for you. Okay, BYBIT is about to launch a new coin, which will be very profitable. You can look at it now. The listing time is 10:03. Okay, the listing time is 10:03. So all you just need to do, and the listing time left is 2 hours 38 minutes now. As at today, October 3rd. Okay, so if you have this Bybit account, just make sure you rush in there and wait. The moment it's listed, you buy, because there's every possibility that it can rise times two. Okay, but do not invest more than you can lose, you can afford to lose. Okay, but this is a great opportunity. If you invest with $500, it will definitely turn to 1000 USD. Okay, so just quickly check and let's see what will be in the soon time. Okay, so you cannot see it. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do, and also like my videos and also share my video with friends. Okay, so thank you so much. For the sake of this video, I won't be staying too long. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Okay, if you have any question, please leave it at the comment sections and I'll get to you as soon as possible. Thank you.